Hey, what's up guys? Just picked up this new EGO 56 volts self-propelled mower. It's their Generation 3 mower. Model number LM2135SP. So basically just want to do a simple unboxing, show you guys what's in the box and how easy it is to get going and mowing your grass. So here we go. Alright, so right off the bat, you got your battery right on top and your charger. This looks like the frame for the bag, mulching bag. Not really going to put all this stuff together. I kind of just want to show you what's in there and what you would have to put together before you started going. This looks like the insert to where you can shoot grass out, and then right in here, so you've got those little things, and then right on the top is you can come see there's no like styrofoam or anything like that. Got a little plastic bag, and then there's the mower. So get this baby out. I wouldn't say it's that heavy. I mean, it's a little bit of a struggle, but it's not that bad. I mean, pretty easy. Alright, so I don't have any experience with these really. Oh, one other thing. Here's the additional blade they send you. So I think it comes with the 2 blades, and then if you wanted to switch it out for mulching or whatever, you can do that. You can switch them out. So there you go. Other than that, active instructions. Alright. So I'm gonna just press that lever. Got a little sticker, push unlock. Pull that up. That's pretty sturdy, well made. It is all plastic, but it feels like it's really nicely made. So nothing in there. So looks like it's just as easy as charging up your battery. Get a full charge on that, pop it in there, and ready to rock and roll. So from box to getting the mower out and getting it ready to go, I don't know, a few minutes. If you wanted to dink around with the mulching bag, another couple minutes. So in less than 10 minutes you can go from getting this thing home from the store or getting it at your doorstep to mowing your grass. So anyway, hope you guys find that helpful. Yeah, just got this mower out of the box, and we're gonna run it. I've never used it. I didn't read the instructions. Watched a couple of videos, so I'm gonna see if I can just figure it out. So your battery door, I'm gonna pop the battery in, and if you wanted to take the battery out, it's got this little green button right here. Just pop that up. So putting it in, it just snaps in. Close your thing. You got to select your height. You got 7 height settings. So 1 all the way up to 7. I think that's a pretty cool feature. A lot of the other mowers, you know, you got to adjust the height of each wheel individually. This is just one lever that you have to use, which is cool. Looks like this is a carrying or a handle or a hanging lever. You got 3 adjustments for your handle height. So high, medium, and low. You got some options there. I think I'm going to like it on medium. You don't use these clips unless you want to store it. It's got a little message there to start, fully extend side rails, then lock the clamp. So we're fully extended, ready to rock and roll. Up here, you got your LED on and off. You got your battery indicator with the different symbols to tell you what each color means. Power button and some instructions here. It's a 3-step process to get this baby going. So step 1, extend the handle out. Step 2, press the power button and probably hold it. And step 3, pull this lever in. And then these are your paddles. Self-propel mode and your speed adjustment. Yeah, let's see what happens here. We're extended, power button. Oh, it's pretty quiet. Alright, so I think it works pretty good. We got some lawn grass over here. It's been raining all morning, so the grass is going to be pretty wet. We'll do a couple passes on there and you guys can see the cut quality. So we're on a side hill, and I think it's doing pretty good. It looks pretty even. I don't see a lot of grass clippings here, so I'm mulching it right now. And I don't see, you know, there's definitely no clumping. And like I said, this grass it's damp, but it's been raining all day. So anyway, works pretty good. Alright guys, so I just got done using the mower for the first time. I gotta say overall I'm pretty impressed with it. It did a really good job mulching the grass here. I got kind of a little small yard that I'm going to be using it on. And its power, I feel like it was powerful. It never bogged down, anything like that. One cool feature that I did not know about prior to getting it is the self-propel mode. So I got a battery in without even having to start the blades or spinning it. So say you need to transit it from one spot to another, but you don't want the blade spinning. If you just press the self-propelled button, it'll go without the blade spinning. So I thought that was cool. In my research prior to buying it, I didn't know about that. So other than that, I mean, I would highly recommend this if you're gonna try to go away from a gas mower and get into a battery-powered mower. I haven't tried any other battery-powered mowers, but I think that this one is a very good option. So anyway, I hope you learned something during the video, and until the next one, see you later.